I'm Ben Chaffin with Chaffin Farms. We farm in Ithaca, Michigan, raising sugar beets, corn, soys, string beans, peas, and then we do some organics as well. The journey to LSW started where we compared them to tracks to see how they compare to tracks. But with the miles we're traveling, tracks don't seem to hold up because we just burn them out when we run 30 miles with heavy equipment behind us. So we really compare them to the 838s or 842s, and you look at the LSW has a much shorter sidewall and they don't bounce. So they hook up a lot better than your 838s or 42s. So as we buy tractors, we switch them over to the 900s on the four-wheel drives for tillage, and we'll run 800s on planting tractors. We tried an 9000T. It just seemed like a bulldozer. We moved to a Case Quadtrac 2 years ago, and we just couldn't hold the thing together running the miles. We were putting the miles on it, bogey wheels, all kinds of issues, so we just stayed away and went and bought another tired machine. The tires, they're simple. They come out of the axle to a drive shaft. You have hubs, you bolt it on. Tracks, there's more complex, checking, bogey wheel oils, checking the drive lugs. For us, we've been very happy with tires. We tried the other way, and we're gonna stay with tires. Keep life simple is what we want to do.